So in some sales presentations, you can't really tell what something has to do. In other words, if there's a certain product or service that you really can't talk about, but showing it is the best way to do it, there's things like animation that we can create. So even if you can't show it in a video, you can animate it maybe on a cross section or whatever it might be that kind of shows the inner workings of, let's say, a product and the advantages of using that product versus just having a video showing the outside of it. We have a customer that sells meat grinders, for example. You can show the outside of a meat grinder all day long, but you're not going to be able to see the gears inside and what they do and how they do it, and how it's actually going to save the customer money and speed up productivity. But with an animation, you can do that.